Yo guys, my name is Samir and you're watching my channel Unboxing and Discovery Fire Striker. So today we're gonna be unboxing an iPhone XR, which is 128 GB and in black color. And today we're gonna be giving away an iPhone XR. If you want to enter this glorious giveaway, so you must subscribe my channel, share my video up to 10 people, like this video, and send me a screenshot on my email, which is in the description. If you do all this, you can win this iPhone XR. So we'll just unbox this. So this is the paper. It's written hello Badger and everything else. It's a kind of list. So this list is stupid. These are the Apple stickers in left side. So we'll just go to the iPhone XR. So this is the glorious iPhone XR, which is going to your hands in a very low time. Yeah, that's the beauty, you know. So now this is very beautiful. So these are all the accessories, and this is the charging plug. So if you want to win this iPhone X, you must subscribe my channel and share this video up to 10 people. Then you can win the iPhone XR. I don't care that you did this first or at the last. I just care that you did it. I'll do a draw. I always do a draw. And please tell on the comments down below that you have done all the things, because if you do all the things and don't comment down below, I will not know that you have done it. I will think that you have normally subscribed my YouTube channel. So please don't forget to comment down below why you want it, and really why you want it, and please tell me the truth reasons. I know people like iPhones, or some people don't have really phones. Like me, I don't really have phones. I don't keep these phones. It's my job to do YouTubing. I don't keep all these phones. I just need a laptop and a screen recorder or anything like that. I just need a camera and to do earning. I don't want these phones. You guys want. We earn money for you guys. Why we give away this iPhone XR, iPhone XS Max, iPad Pro? These are for you guys, because you guys want it. So this is the iPhone XR you're gonna get. I'm gonna decide who's the winner at any time. So subscribe my channel right now, share this video up to 10 people, and do everything you can. Okay, see you in the next video.